EFO RIRO, also known as spinach stew, and growing up in our household we used to just call it vegetable. You didn't even need to add the stew afterwards to know what we were talking about. I make my EFO with turkey and meat, but some people make it with fish, or you can also make it with pomo as well, which is quite a popular choice. So I've just sliced off some onions. Here I have some meat and turkey in a pot that I've actually cleaned. I'm adding the onions, a seasoning cube, some salt and some pepper, and I'm just going to cook this by boiling it. Then I'm going to start to prepare my pepper mix. So for my pepper mix, I always use 2 peppers, either 2 peppers or 1 bell pepper and 1 Romano pepper. I also use some tomatoes. I've just got some small ones here. I also have some onions. So here I'm just going to rough chop this so that it goes down easy in my blender. Now that I've rough chopped my vegetables, I'm going to start with the pepper mix. So here I've got some plum tomatoes in a can. Then I'm going to add all those vegetables that I just chopped into my blender. And then you can't forget to also add the Scotch bonnet pepper. I actually used 1 here, but the heat wasn't enough. So use as much as fits your taste. So here I'm just blending it a little bit. Usually I like my EFO to be even rougher blended than that, but you know, sometimes things just get ahead of themselves. So usually you cook EFO with palm oil. It's one of the key ingredients and it does transform the taste. So here I'm actually using vegetable oil, just a slightly healthier alternative. Don't kill me, please. If you want, please use your palm oil. It does transform the taste. And then I'm adding my pepper mix, adding some seasoning cubes. I'm also adding some crayfish. You can also add some smoked prawns as well, just to get that umami sort of taste into this, which is important. Then I'm going to add in my meat, which is cooked, a bit of the stock that it created, added a bit more crayfish seasoning to taste, and then I'm going to add this spinach that I've actually cleaned by washing in hot water, followed by cold water and just draining all the water out. So you add your spinach in and you let it cook down, and that is your EFO. So enjoy this, eat it with your favourite swallow, eat it with some pounded yam, eat it with some fufu, or you can even eat it with some rice. I usually like to eat mine with a swallow. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.